all the other beach mentioned in previous episodes, this one is different. Hello, I'm Rakesh. Welcome back to our channel Parque Sparrow. In this episode, we are going to look at Nandgaon Beach. So without wasting any time, let's begin. The first question arises is, why Nandgaon Beach? Well, Nandgaon Beach offers the overall package. Whatever you are looking for near a beach, everything is available here. For me personally, whenever I go somewhere, the first thing I am looking at is the parking, because I am very insecure about my car and bike. There is a very big parking space at Nandgaon Beach. Around 10 to 20 buses can be easily fitted there and 50 to 60 four-wheelers. It's not just about parking. Cars and buses can move around very easily without bothering each other. I remember once in Alibag, we were stuck for 10-20 minutes. But in Nandgaon Beach, the roads are pretty wide. The parking space is a lot. Even in Revdanda, there is a very 6 to 7 feet of road. It's not very comfortable. So full stars to Nandgaon Beach in case of parking. Then the other thing is food options. A lot of food options are available. Veg, non-veg, seafood, even Chinese, Punjabi, everything is available here. And it's also within the walking distance. Liquor, cold drink, ice cream parlor, everything is here. Now we went on Sunday and we stayed there till Monday. On Sunday, the stay rates and the restaurant rates are pretty high. We paid something 1300 for one room, and on the same next day it was almost 50%. 750 or 800 for each room was the price on Monday, and it was double on Sunday. It's also hard to book a hotel. The crowd was less, but couple years ago when I visited Nandgaon Beach, it was huge. We didn't get to book hotel. We just visited there, we played on beach, and we had to come back. So if you are planning to go on weekends, make sure you are booking a hotel or stay 2-3 days ahead. If you are going on Monday, I'll personally prefer if you go on the working days between Monday to Friday. It's cheap, there is less crowd. About the things to do here: water sports, horse ride, camel ride, everything is available here. On Sunday there was a huge crowd, so we did nothing. I just got there, sat on a beach and enjoyed the sunset. But on Monday we were the first to go on the beach. We got to see the sunrise and I got to swim. On Sunday I didn't even dare to enter the crowd. I was very behind. I sat there, kept my tripod and just enjoyed the view. But on Monday, we went at 7:30 on the beach and I swam till 7:30, 8:30, 9:30, 10 till 10 a.m. So let me know what you think about this beach. Comment below if I am missing something, let me know. If you have any other beaches in mind which are quite good, which are unknown, please comment below. So this was my last trip. After that I haven't been anywhere. During that vacation I got to see Korlai Fort, and 2-3 days after the Korlai Fort I went to Kalavanti. That's it. Since March and April I haven't been outside of home. So in the next episode we'll see Korlai Fort, later that Kalavanti Fort. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Don't go anywhere.